take forward is an asset. Tonight, we celebrate that spirit of progress and look ahead to a bright, promising future.
So let the journey of Arohan begin. Ladies and gentlemen, meeting and a cultural extravaganza will start shortly as soon as our guests arrive. Till then, please bear with us.
କାଲି ସେୟା କରିବୁ ମୋ ସାଇଡ୍ ଚାଲିବୁ ଚାଲିଥିବ ରିମୋଟ୍ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ଚାଲିବ କାଲି କ'ଣ କରୁଛୁ କାଲି ଲାଇଭ୍ ଦେଖି ତୁ ଦେଖିନୁ ଆଉ ରାତିରେ ଦେଖିତେ ହଉଛି ନା ଆଉ
An ascent that begins not with wings but with courage. Every great achievement starts with a small step taken in faith. Success is not reached overnight. It is climbed patiently, one effort, one failure, and one lesson at a time. When challenges try to pull us down, determination becomes our ladder. Today, as our students perform and express themselves, they remind us that growth is a journey of constant learning and self-belief. Let this moment inspire us all to rise higher, dream bigger, and continue our Arohan towards excellence and success. The theme of Arohan embodies the universal human drive for growth, progress, and elevation in all aspects of life. It signifies a journey from a lower state to a personal development or a spiritual awakening. It is soaring high with confidence, creativity, and conviction. The theme Arohan resonates as a powerful metaphor for overcoming challenges, acquiring knowledge, and striving for excellence, empowering individuals and communities to bridge disparities and achieve their full potential. It is a continuous, dynamic process, that higher one, be it a physical climb that emphasizes effort, perseverance, and the belief that requires the right guidance and resources, anything is possible, leading to a profound sense of achievement and purpose.
The guest of honor is Shri Pavitra Panigrahi, former principal, Dhamnagar College, Bhadra.
They are conducted to the dais by our honorable founder, Mr. Anandananda Dikshit,
Reverend Chairman Shri Debashish Dikshit,
Principal Shri Yudhishthir Devta,
MD Mr. Vidyadhar Agasti,
Madam MD Mrs. Bandita Dikshit,
Madam Chairman Mrs. Asha Varikar,
Mentor Professor Shailendra Mahapatra,
Educationist Mr. Devendra Satpathy.
Would you all ladies and gentlemen please stand up and give them a big hand?
We welcome you all, esteemed guests, to amidst this colorful evening when we celebrate JDU and Annual Day.
Now, I would request my little friends to greet our honored guests with floral ovations. Thank you, my little friends.
Now, I would like to invite our chief guest and guest of honor to declare the function open by lighting of the lamp.
Sir, would you please come to the candle stand and honor us by lighting the candle? I would request our esteemed dignitaries to accompany the guests.
नहीं सब ग्रुप को नहीं
कदाचित् कालिन्दी तत विपिन संगीत करवो मुदारी भी नारी वदन कमला स्वदं धूपः रमा शम्भुर्ब्रह्मा सुरपति गणेशाचितोपदो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे भुजे सर्वे वेणुं शिरसि कटितटे गोकुलं नेत्रान्ते सहचर कटाक्षं वेदघटे श्रीमद्वृन्दा वनवसति लीला परिचयो जगन्नाथ स्वामी पथगामी भवतु मे कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि मङ्गलं भगवान् शम्भो मङ्गलं वृषभध्वज मङ्गलं पार्वतीनाथ मङ्गलं तनोहर सर्वमङ्गले माङ्गल्ये सर्वे शिवार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते नारायणी नमस्तुते नारायणी नमस्तुते
Now I request our delegates and dignitaries to kindly take their seats.
in Bhadra that sent the crowd into raptures. Now, our young maestros will thrill you all.
So ladies and gentlemen, get ready as the tempo rises. The stage comes alive with electrifying beats and powerful chords. Our talented students are all set to set the mood on the fire with a rocking performance that reflects confidence, creativity and youthful spirit.
So hold your heartbeats, tap your feet and cheer your hearts out as we welcome our dynamic rock band to the stage.
Thank you.
was a legendary Indian singer, composer, songwriter, musician, actor, filmmaker, poet, and cultural icon from Assam.
He passed away on 19 September 2025 in Singapore at the age of 52.
He is widely known as the voice of Assam and for bringing regional music with national and global audience.
So, our next song is dedicated to this great singer.
needs to rise, to grow and to move forward. And the spirit is best reflected in visionary leadership.
Now, it is our proud privilege to invite our respected Madam Managing Director, Mrs. Bandita Dikshit, whose vision and guidance continue to inspire us to address this august gathering.
Madam, your words always motivate us to strive for excellence. May I request you to kindly come forward and share your thoughts.
Good afternoon to one and all present over here. With the blessings of Lord Sri Rameshwar, Ma Biraja, Ma Tarini, Lord Sri Jagannath, my grandfather Sri Balaram Dikshit, and remembering a younger brother, loving Janmejay Devata, I Bandita Dikshit, on behalf of the whole team of Sri Balaram Dikshit International School, have a great pleasure in this wonderful afternoon in welcoming all you wonderful parents. A happy Parents' Day to all my dear parents. It's a great honor for me to welcome our chief guest, Honorable Shri Pradeep Kumar Bishwal, IAS retired, former member, Odisha Real Estate Regulatory Authority, Bhubaneswar. We at SBDIS are very thankful to you, sir. Your presence will surely encourage us. I would also like to welcome the guest of honor, Shri Pavitra Panigrahi, former principal, Dhamnagar College, Bhadrak. Your presence would definitely bless us, sir. I would like to welcome additional SP DIP Bhadrak, Mr. Anshuman Divedi, and IIC Town Police Station, Bhadrak, Mr. Pravanshu Shekhar Misra. Thank you, sir, for your blessings. Sirs will be joining us little late. A man whose very essence breathed life into SBDIS. Like a firm pillar of strength, he stood, his presence and support weaving the fabric of our successes for all these 12 years. Today it is with profound honor and deep reverence that I welcome our esteemed founder and my father, Sri Ananda Dikshit. Sir, your relentless hard work and indomitable perseverance have made the realization of this extraordinary campus possible. I take an immense pride to welcome a visionary of SBD International Group of Schools who have soared to new heights, a genuine motivator, a guiding light, and the beloved figure of all of us gathered this evening. I welcome our distinguished chairman, Shri Devashish Dikshit. With a heart full of noble thoughts, he is a person who firmly believes in giving back to the Indian society that has nurtured him. A true visionary, his foresight has been the cornerstone of SBD International School. I am delighted to welcome our esteemed Managing Director, Shri Vidyadhar Agasti. For over past 40 years, his remarkable journey from a teacher to the director of SBD Groups of Schools has been an amazing source of inspiration. Through sheer hard work and unwavering dedication, he has elevated SBD International School to its current prestigious stature. I would like to welcome our esteemed principal cum director, Mr. Yudhishthir Devata. Sir, you are an epitome of true teacher. It's my utmost pleasure to extend my heartfelt welcome to our esteemed Madam Chairman, Mrs. Asa Varikar. A true leader in every sense, her dedication and constant involvement have been pivotal for the remarkable progress of SBD Group of Schools. It is with my great pleasure I would like to welcome Mr. Shivashish Dikshit and all the devoted staff member of Trust Office. Thank you, sir, for your dedication and hard work which makes all our events successful. We have the gracious presence of a true educationalist, Mr. Bipin Bihari Kar, ex-principal Charampa Mahavidyalaya. Thank you, sir, for your continuous support. I also feel overwhelmed to welcome our trustees, Mrs. Mamata Manjari Dikshit, Mrs. Malati Devata, Mrs. Jayasri Kara. Thank you, ma'am, for your support and blessings. I welcome our mentors, Shri Sailendra Mahapatra, Shri Devendra Satpathy for today's event, and thank you for your continuous support. it's my pleasure to welcome Shri Sanandananda Dikshit, a member of the management, Senior Advocate of Bhadrak Court, Shri Bhattakrishna Das, and Mr. Jalandhar Dev. Thank you, sirs, for your continuous blessings and support. I'd like to welcome the Sarpanch of Gelpur and all the village people of Gopabandhupur and Gelpur. Thank you all for your gracious presence. I am privileged to welcome the Principal of SBDIS Jajpur, Shri Kalpataru Sahu, coordinators and all the teachers and staffs of SBDIS Jajpur. You all show a sign of unity and standing together. I'd like to welcome the senior coordinators, senior teachers and all the staff members of SBDIS Bhadrak. I'd like to welcome the principals and dignitaries from other schools who have been supporting us constantly in this event. I'd like to welcome the Rural Police Station Bhadrak and their staff for their continuous support. I'd like to welcome the Fraternity of Press Media Bhadrak. Thank you for your constant support to this organization. I would like to welcome Reliable Tent House Sunny and Co. and Jankar Music for working day and night to make this event memorable. My dear parents, Arohan, it's your day, my dear parents. It's a day of parents where you all enjoy and we also enjoy seeing our children. This year's theme is Arohan. There is a saying in Sanskrit, Shreyansi Bahu Bignani. यार अर्थ है भल कम सब बेले बाधा विघ्न आसब गोटे पिला सका रेडी होकि इंटरव्यू दवाई जाऊँगी बाटरे ट्रेन आसलानी गाड़ी फेल हो गला एक्सीडेंट है कि गोटे असुविधा है सी इंटरव्यू दे पारानी कौन कर सी कांद फेलियर फिल कर से आरंभ हुए आरोहण से आरोहणटा केवल पॉसिबल पेरेंट्स मानक आम अपब्रिंगिंग आम पिला सकाळे उठुनी स्कूल आसुनी जदि पेरेंट्स कर प्रथम सीढ़ी जोटा आरोहण प्रथम सीढ़ी पिला को रेडी करे बाबा टी स्कूल जा आज मैडम तोते भल चॉकलेट देबे पाठ पढ़ी देले सेही जोटा माँ कह कि सकाळे पठौची सेहीटा आरोहण प्रथम सीढ़ी कलाम नॉट हैव बीन कलाम इफ यू वुड हैव थॉट कि मु आज नदी रे डेई पड़ी कि मो जीवन त्याग करिबे जेतबेले से फेल हो गले नेवी. But he did not give it up. There was a driving force who was driving and telling him, "Na tu de na, to pai olga rasta achi." I think as parents, आम समस्त को आरोहणर से ही सीढ़ीटा चढ़ा को पड़ो आम पिलामानक पाई नहले आजिकली दुनिया रे you will not find your children getting successful. Failure ही तांको मानकु हरई दबो. से my dear parents, ए इवेंटा आपण मानक पाई. I hope you enjoy and all the very best for today's evening. Thank you.
Audience, can we have a warm round of applause, please? Thank you, ma'am, for your address.
JDM Prize distribution ceremony begins. As you know, it is another annual event when prizes are awarded to the students who achieve success in different competitions held in sacred memory of a brilliant child, Janmajay Devta.
I would like to request all of you to give the winners a big round of applause as they receive prizes. Now, I request Pushpita ma'am to carry the program forward. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Esteemed delegates, honorable dignitaries, revered parents, and adorable students. Well, today a much awaited time has come when we are going to felicitate our JDM winners. This time, since it was our 14th JDM, I don't think parents need more briefing. Janmajay Devta Memorial Talent Hunt program. The sole objective of this program has been to find out, to tap the latent talents and to hone their skills. And we have been successful all these years. This time also with more than 700 registration, it was a grand success. Well, now I would like to request all our delegates and dignitaries to felicitate our winners. So parents, kindly let's start the program with a very huge round of applause. Today we are going to felicitate winners from class 6 to 12. So let me start with extempore competition. I would like to request our chief guest to kindly felicitate the first position winner of extempore competition, Shreyans Panda. Class 7 from SBD International School. Next to Shriyans is Karvi Kavya Krishna from SBD International School, who won second position. I would like to request our guest of honor to felicitate the child. Well, she has to perform, so she is in a very dramatic dress. Fighting a huge round of applause, audience. Next to Karvya is Aradhya Das from SBD International School, who also bagged second position. I would like to request our founder, sir, to felicitate the child. In third position, we have two winners, and both are from SBD International School. Shreyansi Sahu from class 6 won third position. I would like to request Chairman sir to felicitate the winner, Shreyansi Sahu. Next, Annapurna Sethi has also won third position. I would like to request MD sir to felicitate the winner. Next comes the song competition. Arjusita Mahapatra from SBD International School Class 7 won first position. I would like to request the director sir to felicitate the winner. Next is Vaibhav Jaina, who won second position, and he is from Sri Satya Sai Vidya Mandir. I would like to request our chief guest to felicitate this winner. Next, Shriman Swabhiman Panda also won second position, and he is from SBD International School. I would like to request our guest of honor to felicitate the child. Third position has been bagged by Ayush Kumar Panda from Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya. He is from class 7. He is in class 7. I would like to request Madam MD to felicitate the winner. Ayush Kumar Panda from Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya. Next is dance competition. First position has been bagged by Shreya Panda of class 6, and she is from SBD International School. I would like to request Madam Chairman. I think the child is probably absent. Second position has been bagged by AS Pransi Jena from class 6 SBD International School. I would like to request Kalpataru sir to felicitate the winner. Next, Swayam Prabha Sahu from SBD International School's class 8 has also won second position. I would like to request Shailendra sir to felicitate the winner. Next, Divyamruta Mahanti from SBD International School. She has also won second position. I would like to request Devendra sir to felicitate this winner. Next is third position has been bagged by three students. Krishna Padi from Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya. I would like to request Bipin sir to felicitate this child. Krishna Padi. Is she present? Praktisha Das from KB Bhadrak won third position, and I would like to request Chairman sir to felicitate the winner. I think this child is probably absent. Praktisha Das. Next is Satakshi Padmanayar, who won third position as from SBD International School. Absent. Next, PPT competition. The first position has been bagged by Piyush Pratim Panda from SBD International School, class 9. I would like to request our chief guest to felicitate the winner. Next is Lagnajit Panda from class 11, DAB Public School, Chandrasekharpur. won second position. I would like to request our guest of honor to felicitate the child. Lagnajit Panda from class 11. Next to him is Trupti Manaya Panda from SBD International School, class 11. She has won third position. I would like to request founder sir to felicitate her. Trupti Tanaya Panda. Next comes a song competition. Anubhav Pani from Sunshine Mission School class 10 won first position. Anubhav Pani. I would like to request our director sir to felicitate the winner. Next to Anubhav is Prarthana Panigrahi from SBD International School. She has won second position. I would like to request MD sir to felicitate her. Prarthana Panigrahi. Third position has been bagged by two students. Manisha Sahu from Bhandari Pokhri Government High School. Manisha Sahu. I would like to request Madam MD to felicitate the winner. Next, Anchal Das, class 10, SBD International School. I would like to request Madam Chairman to felicitate her. Parents, keep encouraging our children with huge round of applause. Dance competition. Francie Rao from class 9 Happy Home School won first position, and I would like to request our chief guest to felicitate the winner, Shreyansi Raut from Happy Home School. Second position has been bagged by Jyotirmayi Parida from Brahmapur Nodal High School. I would like to request our guest of honor to felicitate her, Jyotirmayi Parida. Jyotirmayi from Brahmapur Nodal High School. Third position has been bagged by two students, Navista class 9, SBD International School. I would like to request Dipping sir to felicitate the child. Last but not the least, Tanmay Sai Mahanti from SBD International School class 11 has bagged third position. I would like to request Karpataru sir to felicitate the winner. Audience, a big round of applause for all the winners of this JDM 2025-26.
Nitin Sahu along with his parents to come to the stage. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today our theme Arohan, the rise through dedication and determination, finds a perfect reflection in one of our young achievers. We are immensely proud to honor Master Nitin Sahu, a student of class 7 FBD International School, Bhadrak. At the remarkable age of just 12 years, Nitinjit has carved a unique place for himself in the literary world as the author of the motivational book The Last Exam. His extraordinary achievement has earned him recognition as a world record holder in the International Book of Records for being the youngest author to write a motivational book on UPSC. He is also an India Book of Record achiever. Adding further glory to his accomplishment, he has received the Young Author Award from the Ankur Foundation at the Children's Multilingual Literature Festival. Nitinjit has been felicitated by prestigious institutions including LIC, Amaparibar Bhubaneswar, Mandira Odisha Dance Academy and Happy Club Kendrapada. He was also honoured at the 14th District Fair with the title Bhasa Bharati. The audience, his journey is a shining example that age is never a barrier when passion meets perseverance. On behalf of SBD International School, we applaud his creativity, dedication and excellence and wish him continued success in all his future endeavours. Let us put our hands together to congratulate Master Nitinjit Sahu, a true symbol of Arohan, rising higher with knowledge and confidence. A big round of applause, audience. JDM dance competition and she is from SBD International School. Well, today we pause to honor the dedication, loyalty and silent strength of our teaching and non-teaching staff who have completed 10 years with SBD International School. Teaching and non-teaching staff for completing 10 years of dedicated time. I would like to start with Mr. Tapan Kumar Pallai to the stage, better known as Pallai sir by everyone. We honor not just a teacher but a journey of 10 years of dedication and activity in international school. With sincerity in his work and honesty in his heart, Mr. Tapan Kumar Pallai, who efficiently handles the exam department and is also a successful SST teacher, has given his time, energy and commitment selflessly to this institution. His presence has been a constant source of strength, trust and inspiration for students and colleagues alike. Through his discipline and fairness, he has shaped young minds and upheld the values of our school. We thank you for standing with the school through the years and nurturing young lives with quiet dedication. Please give him a heartfelt round of applause, audience. call Mrs. Mamta Dixit, Mamta ma'am, to come to the stage. We proudly honor her, a dedicated primary school teacher on completing 10 years of committed service at Westgate International School. Well, to add more about her, a loving teacher and a mother-like figure, she nurtures a young learner with warmth, patience and deep affection. Her classroom feels like a second home, where children are cared for, encouraged and gently guided to grow with confidence and good values. For a decade, she has been a source of comfort for children, a trusted support for parents and a sincere contributor to the growth and spirit of our school. Next, I would like to call Mrs. Meenakshi Panda. Meenakshi ma'am to be present on the stage. We proudly honor her today, a dedicated mathematics teacher who has completed 10 years of committed service at SBD International School. For a decade, she has not only taught numbers and formulas, but also has instilled logic, discipline and confidence in her students. With patience in her teaching and sincerity in her work, she has touched countless young minds and helped them overcome their fear of mathematics. Her quiet dedication, consistency and strong work ethic have made her an integral part of our school family. We express our heartfelt gratitude to ma'am for her unwavering commitment and congratulate her on the meaningful milestone. Next, I would like to call Manisha ma'am. Mrs. Manisha Ray to the stage. We lovingly honor her, a dedicated English teacher of the primary section, on completing 10 years of beautiful years of SBD International School with a perfect balance of strictness and affection. She has taught our youngest learners not only the English language but also confidence, discipline and good values. Her calm guidance and caring heart has helped children take their first step into the world of reading, speaking and self-expression. A huge round of applause, audience. We really thank her for nurturing little minds with patience, love and dedication and congratulate her on this proud milestone. Then next I would like to call Mrs. Snigdha Rani Jana. Snigdha ma'am to be present on the stage. A devoted primary section teacher on completing 10 years of dedicated service at SBD International School. Known for her perfect blend of discipline and affection, she has guided our little learners with a firm hand and a caring heart. Her classroom is a place where values are taught alongside lessons and where children learn to grow with confidence and responsibility. For a decade, she has been a pillar of trust for parents and a mentor for young minds. A sincere contributor to the growth of our school. I think our teachers also need very big round of applause, audience. It's not only children, they also deserve this big round of applause. I will take a little moment to honor Mrs. Amrita Biswal. Amrita ma'am to be present on the stage, a devoted primary section teacher who has completed 10 years of dedicated service in the school. With patience in her heart and care in her action, she has lovingly guided our young learners, especially the guide children, nurturing them with extra attention, understanding and compassion. Her classroom is a safe space where every child feels supported, valued and encouraged to grow. For a decade, she has been a quiet friend to students, a trusted support for parents and sincere contributor to SBD family. Now, we proudly honor Mr. Vikas Ranjan Sahu. Vikas sir to be present on the stage. A highly dedicated and valued member of SBD International School, his mastery in computers and technology plays a vital role in the functioning and growth of our institution. With sincerity, precision and strong sense of responsibility, he has always supported staff and students whenever needed. His dedication behind his success, behind the scenes technical expertise and commitment to excellence make him an indispensable part of our school family. Please give him a warm and well-deserved round of applause. Next, we would proudly honor Mrs. Joyce Samal, representing us today on the stage. Joyce Samal, a valued member of the HD International School family. She skillfully manages the front office with efficiency, patience and a welcoming smile. At the first point of contact of parents, visitors and staff, she represents the school with grace, clarity and professionalism. Her calm approach, organizational skills and dedication ensure smooth communication and day-to-day functioning of the school. Please give her a warm and hearty round of applause, audience. Next, I would like to call proudly, we would like to proudly honor Mr. Rathagiri. Mr. Rathagiri to be present on the stage, our vigilant and dedicated security guard, an important pillar of every international school. With alertness, discipline and a strong sense of duty, he ensures the safety and security of our students, staff and campus every day, always watchful and responsible. He performs his role with